Hey everyone, get ready to rock with your JBL Xtreme free speaker. I will show you everything you need to use it like a pro. Stick around till the end for a cool hidden feature that enhances your sound experience. Connecting. Press the power button. The Bluetooth LED will turn white if Bluetooth is on. If the Bluetooth LED isn't blinking, tap to the Bluetooth button to enter pairing mode. Connect to your device. Open Bluetooth settings on your iOS or Android phone. Find the JBL Xtreme Free and tap to connect. You will hear a confirmation sound when it's paired. Charging. Now let's make sure your speaker is charged up and ready to go. Check battery level. Turn on the speaker and check the LED indicators. If one LED indicator is lit or blinking, charge the speaker. Charging. Open the waterproof flap for the charging port. Plug the smaller end of the adapter into a port and the other end into a power outlet. Let's show charging progress, taking about 2.5 hours for full charge. Firmware check and update. Let's check your speaker's firmware version. First option, using speaking controls. Power on the press and hold connect and volume down buttons to hear the current firmware version.
0216.
Second option, using JBL portable app. Download the app, pair with your speaker via Bluetooth. Tap on speaker on the main screen and go to Product Info, Software, Updates to check for the new firmware. Tap Update if available and follow on-screen instructions. Don't turn off the speaker during the update. Resetting. If you ever need to reset your speaker, here's how you do it. Press and hold volume up and play buttons together until the speaker turns off. Release to complete the reset. Activate bass mode. To activate bass mode, hold the volume down and Bluetooth buttons together for about 10 seconds until you see flashing lights confirming activation. Turn off bass mode. To return the standard audio profile, repeat the process of holding the volume down and Bluetooth buttons together for 10 seconds until the lights flash to confirm deactivation. Thanks for watching. You will find more tips for your speaker in the playlist. If you enjoyed this video, hit subscribe so our channel pops up first when you search for solution.